In this video, we will talk about gadgets like emergency jump starters, wheel covers to protect the wheels, car air purifiers for a relaxing car ride, car registration and insurance holder for emergency proof, and much more. Number 10. Avapow Jump Starter. You may be wondering, why buy Avapow's all-in-one solution when a set of jumper wires suffice? Because who else is there to hop if you're trapped in the middle of nowhere? Furthermore, emergency kits should preferably include some form of power source. What about a battery bank? For that reason alone, why not combine all the mass and complexity into a single unit? In addition, an LED flashlight with multiple brightness levels is included. In fact, there's an SOS and strobe light feature in case you need it. A nifty, tiny battery power indicator can be found around the brick of a power bank as well as at the top of the Avapow. Aside from that, the build quality on this bulky beast is superb, deserving a heavy usage without affecting its performance or dependability in operation. The Avapow offers various safety measures for extra peace of mind. For a safer working environment, the leads are non-sparking. It also has short circuit as well as overcurrent protection. A buzzer will also beep if you're doing something incorrectly. Overall, there aren't many things the Avapow can't accomplish in terms of jump-starting a car and powering your gadgets, making it an ideal companion. Number 9. XCBYT Steering Wheel Cover. Have you ever heard of a steering wheel cover that helps in massaging your hands? This steering wheel cover includes a sports massage design that stimulates tired hands, reduces tiredness, and relieves tension. Car steering wheel wrap is suitable for 95% of automobiles. Get your hands on this ASAP to make your car rides relaxing. Number 8. FRiEQ Car Air Purifier. The FryQ Car Air Purifier is a compact, cheap air purifier. It's essentially an ionic air purifier that releases negative ions into the air, which subsequently connect to dust, pollen, smoke, cigarette smoke, or mold particles, allowing them to connect to a surface readily. It can discharge over 5 million negative ions per cubic meter into the air to erase foul odors. It also removes odor-causing pollutants from the air, eliminating unwanted odors in your car. It also has a blue LED light for lighting and can be charged by plugging it into your car's cigarette outlet. The FryQ Car Air Purifier is far less expensive than many other car air purifiers, making it a viable option if you don't want to spend hundreds of dollars on a single unit. Number 7. Car registration and insurance holder. Have you ever been in that situation where you need to find your important car papers but couldn't locate them? Munis Car Registration and Insurance Holder is your way to go. This holder is made up of high-quality PU leather and vinyl PVC. It can store not only your registration and insurance card, but also your license, identity cards, AAA cards, business cards, receipts, and other documents. It includes 6 clear pockets. In an emergency, the holder can swiftly show the documentation in seconds. Number 6. One Fire Car Diffuser for essential oils. For those who drive an hour home from work, a vehicle diffuser is a terrific method to unwind and de-stress. It will make your car smell great by incorporating essential oils into how you feel while driving home, and you'll be much more relaxed once you arrive. Your workday's brain fog and strain just fade away. This car diffuser is ideal for your office because it is tiny and takes up little room while providing excellent dispersing qualities. You may simply bring it to the office in the morning to utilize at your desk for a mild scent that your coworkers would not notice. Number 5. Doona Infant Car Seat and Latch Base. The company created Doona's infant car seat and stroller combo to give parents a secure and convenient option for their baby both in and out of the car. It is the world's first baby car seat and stroller in one and delivers a full and completely integrated travel solution that allows you to transition from car seat to stroller easily. All materials used in the product are free of dangerous substances and have been rigorously tested and authorized in accordance with the most strict European regulations. Doona's innovative double-wall construction allows the wheel to fold into the body, providing considerable safety benefits. Side impact protection is reinforced with 2 layers of strong, impact-absorbing plastic and extra layers of EPS, foam, and fabric. If you think you need all these car gadgets, subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Number 4. Car Visor Vanity Mirror Car Makeup Mirror with LED lights. This car LED lights vanity mirror has been improved with a built-in lithium battery that can be charged and used without needing to connect to the charging wire. The power cord for the makeup mirror has been enlarged and updated to 3 meters. Don't be concerned about the inconvenience created by a power cable that is too short. There are 2 touch centers. Just touch one of the touch controls to turn it on and off. Moreover, you can change the colors of the lights. Number 3. AUTUT Universal Elastic Silicone Car Automatic Gear Shift Knob. Want to add a little touch of color and safety to your gear? Try AUTUT Universal Elastic Silicone Car Automatic Gear Shift Knob. It is made of soft silicone and has a non-slip surface. AUTUT tool tries to avoid damage, scratches, and dust on your car's gear shift. You'll get reasonable pricing for this gadget. Moreover, the soft material used to make the gear shift knob is washable and easy to clean. As a result, it may be used for a long time. Number 2. Car Guys Detailing Super Cleaner. Car Guys Premium Series Super Cleaner is the market's most flexible and effective all-purpose cleaner. Car Guys Super Cleaner, unlike silly cleaners, only works on automobile and interior surfaces, excluding glass, instrument panels, and touch displays. However, it is extremely effective on cloth and leather seats. Number 1. Armor All 10832 Cleaning Wipes. The delicate surfaces of your automobile are too critical to entrust to a domestic cleaner. Armor All Cleaning Wipes, one of the most known names in excellent auto maintenance, will give you a natural, just detailed look. They are thoughtfully designed for your car's specific demands, lifting dirt and debris away to show your car's rich, natural beauty without destroying sensitive automotive surfaces. These interior cleaning wipes are made to remove difficult ground and filth without drying out, ruining, or fading surfaces, making them an excellent choice for your cleaning requirements. Buy Armor All Cleaning Wipes to clean and protect your vehicle's interior. So, which one is on your wish list? Comment below. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.